Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to update the WooCommerce database to keep your store running smoothly. Now before we start, I'm gonna notify you that a lot of the features that are required in order to complete this task requires a paid subscription in WordPress. If you want to complete this task, you're gonna have to pay. Now for my case, I didn't pay, but I'll guide you through the instructions verbally, and if you do that, you'll be able to successfully accomplish the task. Now let's get started by following these few steps. The first step is to check for database updates. Log into your WordPress by going to wordpress.com website and then enter in your account credentials. Once you enter your account credentials, you'll be directed to your home dashboard account. Now, in WordPress, go to WooCommerce right here in the left sidebar and click on it. Now, if you paid for the subscription, you'll be able to see your WooCommerce to start a new store. Now, if I want to start a new store, I'm required to fill in this information and buy a WordPress subscription. Now, if you go to WooCommerce and then you go to status, if updates are available, you'll see a notice to update your database. The second step is to run the update. After you see the update, click the Update WooCommerce Database button. The update process will run in the background so you can keep using your site. Now for the third step is to verify the update. Once done, revisit the status page to confirm no further updates are needed, and test your store to ensure everything works correctly. And that's it. That's how you update the WooCommerce database. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.